Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Oliver and I was chosen to be one of the sponsored contestants for the Element 14 Design for a Cause Challenge. My project, Ultrasonic Avoidance Collision Detection System, basically is to help blind people navigate without the use of their seeing eye dog or a cane. The idea is the user will wear a belt that has some sensors on it that will vibrate and tell them when objects are near. In this first video, I'll go over the kit that was supplied as well as the additional purchases I made to help me make this kit come to life. The following videos will go over the build plan and design. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Okay, so we'll get started. Here's the Element 14 kit. It came in the box. We'll open it up. We'll check out exactly what we have inside. So those of you familiar with the challenge know that the key component of the challenge is the Arduino. So right here, we have the Arduino IoT Maker Bundle. We also have analog devices. So let's see what we have in here. They don't make it easy to get into. All right. So this is the ADXL. So this is the accelerometer and everything. So that's what's in that box. Inside here we have the sensor, the SD card shield for the Arduino itself, another shield for the Arduino, and one of the ultrasonic sensors. And then we have the IoT bundle kit. And inside here is a USB cable, the actual MKR itself, a little book with a sticker, and then all sorts of other miscellaneous components we'll go over in more details. We might need them. So all this stuff you see here became the sensors, the shields, all of this came as part of the kit from Element 14 for the sponsored makers. So going through this, I realized for my project, there's a couple extra things I would need. Looks like we already got some bent pins on a couple of these things. I'll have to straighten those out. So the idea for my project is to have a belt that the user wears. So for that, I bought this web belt off of Amazon. It's adjustable. So this way the user can just strap this on when they're ready to go. My design as I have it in my head is going to need two sensors. So I actually bought another ultrasonic sensor because there could be sensor for the left side, sensor for the right side. So this will be the other sensor. This is actually a pack, I believe. So there's actually quite a few in here. Yeah, it's a set of 5. So I have spares if I decide to try to implement anything else. A battery pack. This is a 2000 milliamp hour battery that will be able to plug into the Arduino to power it. And then these are little buzzer sensors. They're a lot smaller than I thought they were. We're gonna have to see how much they vibrate. Because the idea for this is the user would have one on their left side of their body, one on the right side of their body, and it would actually vibrate depending on the objects detected by the sensor, by the ultrasonic sensors. So they're fairly tiny. You can see that, I mean, smaller than my fingertip. So we'll have to see how much haptic feedback these have, and if they're going to be big enough. If not, we'll have to find another idea. But this is what I got initially. It comes with a couple little controller boards to control the feedback. Oh. And I also have this conductive tape. It's actually fabric backed. So what my idea is for this, if it'll work, because I kind of want to put it on the belt coming out to the sides. And then that way it would work as a guide because I want the haptic motors to be in a box that can move. So that way, depending what size the person is, they adjust the belt and then they can actually adjust the sensors so they actually sit on their left and right side. So when they vibrate, they can feel them. If I hard set it to like my size and then somebody else, even if they adjusted the belt, maybe the wires wouldn't be long enough. I didn't want to use wires that would bunch up and stick out. So hopefully I can attach this fabric conductive tape to this and kind of make leads along the belt that'll line up with connectors that'll be actually inside the haptic feedback modules. We'll see how it works, but it's just an idea I have. So that's everything then with the extra parts I purchased, and then the kit that we covered as well. If anybody has any questions about any parts that I have, maybe above and beyond what was supplied or anything else, feel free to leave a comment below. Otherwise, hopefully we can get these going and we'll start to get the build going real soon. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.